Ready? Start. I am extremely delighted to extend my best wishes for the new year to the people of Maharashtra through this edition of Maharashtra Ahead. Maharashtra has become a democratic state in the true sense with the formation of the new government of Mahavikas Aghadi. The government has already paved the way for Maharashtra's growth and development. The Mahavikas Aghadi government is all geared up to work diligently to fulfill the aspirations of its people. In the past few years, our farmers have faced many challenges, some natural and some due to other factors that have distressed them a lot. Increasing production costs and shrinking incomes have pushed them into financial crisis. Since ours is an agrarian economy, their despair is deplorable. Considering these hands not only run the plows but also our economy. It's only when the plow in their hands runs consistently, framing can thrive, flourish, and come alive, giving the rest of us a new lease of life tool. Hence, our paramount duty is to strengthen their ability and resolve. With this in mind, we have made farmers our topmost priority and have started the work from the day one. In our very first cabinet meeting, we decided to implement the Mahatma Jyotirao Phule loan waiver scheme, under which loans up to 2 lakh will be waived off. We have ensured that the scheme is not complicated but is transparent, simple, and hassle free. Paragraph. The farmers will not have to go through unnecessary paperwork and can avail the benefits easily. Very soon, we are going to launch the Shiv Bhojan Thali scheme on an experimental basis. It will offer healthy meals at just 10. After reviewing the response, we will launch it all over Maharashtra. We are focused on planning and implementing various policies and schemes for social welfare and improving the quality of the day to day life of people. The implementation of these schemes will be done effectively and in a timely manner due to its richness and prosperity. Maharashtra is rightly considered the jewel in India's crown. Our state also leads on various fronts and has a rich legacy of leaders like Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj, Mahatma Phule, and Bharat Ratna Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, to name a few. Our aim is to build a new Maharashtra that will be socially united and economically fair to be everyone. We want to build a state that will generate new educational opportunity for its youth and create numerous opportunities in industrialized employment and self-employment for its people. The formation of Mahavikas Aghadi government is the first step in that direction. Our emphasis is on removing all the hurdles in the path of growth and development and making necessary process fast and transparent. All inclusiveness will be our forte. We believe that the people of the state should get equal opportunities and rights. We will leave no stone unturned to ensure that every person in Maharashtra enjoys all basic and constitutional rights they are entitled to. Of course, to achieve this, the support of the people is equally important. Paragraph. For this, the government will have to carefully and strictly plan and manage available resources, and at times we may have to take some tough decisions. Such decisions are taken only in the interest of the state and the well-being of its people. We can achieve every goal with mutual understanding and cooperation. As we embark on this new year, let us all join hands and pledge to take Maharashtra to newer pinnacles of success. Stop.